This is what you come from when you go home. Some nice cocoas. Where are the coconuts?
Coconuts are right in here.
Oh, there's a doggy inside.
They ain't.
Then there's the coconut. Oh, she's showing us. Oh my god, so much stuff. Let's just arrange it first. But it's nice. Oh, we even brought unga. Like from the farm. Jeez. So this is the, I hope this is the name. The what? The unga. So, yeah, the flour. My daughter just corrected me. My mom got to harvest some maize and figured it was nice that we walk home for her to like favor some unga. She said immediately you get home, make sure you put it in a container so like it's airtight. I think we have like 4 kgs of unga. Disregard the fact that it's packed in other packets of unga. So I'll be putting it here and then I'll show you shortly. Ta-da! Lakini tuko na bags zingine unaweza kuweka kama you need. Even this box you can put with it. So tutakula ugali kienyeji. Is this ugali kienyeji really? It's just that it's nice. No, there were no pesticides on making of this flour and the maize. See, it's really nice. Can't wait to make porridge for my babies and have the ugali myself. I also like porridge, white porridge actually. You want to help?